Hello, hello, hello. There is something that my students and myself just go, oh my gosh, why does this happen? And you know what? It happens when you least expect it. You know what it is? When you go to sing your song, you walk out onto the stage, and then all of a sudden, your mind goes blank. You forget the first words of the song. Now you can say, oh, that would never happen to me. You know what? I have singers that have been singing for a very long time, and they all say, yeah, it happened to me too. It happened to me. And I went, oh my gosh, I can't believe it. So backstage, make sure that you go over the first line of your songs and you've got it imprinted here before you enter that stage. Because so many of the singers I know have been singing for a long time, like I said, blank. And they go, oh my gosh, it happened to one entertainer when she was on stage. She was singing her song, forgot the lyrics. This was like embarrassing. It wasn't the beginning of the song, but she forgot it. She went backstage finally. She started the song 3 times before she had to go backstage, collect herself, find out what the words were, and came back one. But this, what I'm talking about, is the very first line of the song. You come out and you go, oh my gosh. And maybe you'll go to the second chorus, or the second verse rather. Yeah, I know. Yeah, isn't that a pain? Well, so just a word to the wise, go over backstage first line, okay? All right, you have a wonderful day, because it is such a day, yeah, such a mighty fun day, such a day, yeah, such a mighty fine day.